वंदे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तबिन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुव्यवच पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयति यत्किपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशव सच कृष्ण भक्ति पदे देवी सत्वत्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्त गुरुभक्तियुक्तो भक्तिप्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुन् ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरञ्जनुतं शरण्यं भीत्तात्तिहं पुनतपाल्भवद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दं यत्पादवल्लभनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरजित किमपि गववधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्तिः साराधिकामयि कदा कृपां श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभुनितानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबुदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजवरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणाभुतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नराणां। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषिः त्वबाहुभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदय संवित् त्वं नृसिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namastasmai Bhagavate Krishnaya Kuntamedase Jadhatte Sarva Bhutanam Abhavai Sati Kalaha. Gauriya Gosipati Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada Paramahamsa Jagadguru said that Bhagavan is not our servant. We are always ready to make Bhagavan our servant, order supplier. But Bhagavan is not should not be our order supplier. He is the only object of attraction of the whole infinite universe. How to call him? How to meet with him? If we call like a master calling his servant, Krishna, come! Not this way. Prabhupada speaking how to call Bhagavan, so that Bhagavan can feel inspiration to give response to us. Surely, Bhagavan like to give response, but cannot give, because of our passive mood. How to call Bhagavan? See Gaur Sundar Gauranga, who is himself Supreme Lord, Swayamrup Bhagavan, he already told that to call Bhagavan, you must be Trinad Visuni, humbler than a blade of grass, without which our prayer, our call cannot reach to satisfy Bhagavan. Until and unless I am going to feel my uselessness, until and unless I am not going to feel my uselessness, my teeny existence, if you cannot call, you realize, then our prayer, our call cannot reach up to the lotus feet of Bhagavan. When we are feeling that we are failure, when we are feeling that we are total failure, any amount of effort on our part cannot give any result, then and only we can seek the help of others. When we can feel helpless, then we can take help of others, we can try. No other way except taking the help of others. So, Gaur Sundar Gauranga Mahaprabhu already told that to call Bhagavan, you must be Trinadavi, Sunich. Our Guru Padma also speaking this same thing. By watching his lotus feet, the lotus feet of Guru Padma, I could realize what is the exact and actual meaning of Trinadavi. He was the symbol, embodiment of Trinadavi Baba. In practical form, Trinadavi Baba, if you like to see, if you look at Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, you can find Trinadavi. Bhagavan can run, come to help us. But when we are calling Bhagavan, we are calling like a master calling a servant. That's why our target is to get something done by Bhagavan. Like a master engaging one servant to get it done. We don't want Bhagavan. but we want to get something from Bhagavan. That is the fact. We cannot maintain our Trinadapi. We cannot maintain our Trinadapi if we think somebody is something, when the superiority complex, when this superiority complex enter inside our heart, then surely we can lose our Trinadapi, or we cannot get to Trinadapi. So, Purna Chetan Vastu Bhagavan, Swayangrup, Satantra, Swarad Vastu, Purna Chetan Vastu, he is not under anybody's control. Sabhigya Swarad. Whatever feeling there, Asmita, without any duplicity, if we cannot establish this feeling into Trinadapi, Daino, humbleness, then our prayer, our call cannot reach up to that Purna Vastu, Paripurna Satantra Vastu. And another point, Prabhupada speaking, with this humbleness, Trinadapi Sunij Baba, we must have sufficient enduring power. If we are not going to keep patience, enduring power, then our prayer cannot come out successful. If we are guided by some greed, if we are guided by some greed to get one particular thing and going to lose our patience, then we cannot maintain Trinadapi. We cannot maintain Trinadapi. Rather, we can take just the opposite form of Trinadapi Baba. If we are 100% confident that Bhagavan is Purna Vastu, if we can call Bhagavan, there is no question of any deficiency, any shortage of anything. In that case, also we cannot lose our patience, sufficient enduring power can appear inside our heart. And or if we are going to feel some greed for anything, love, puja, patishtha, or anything, then we can lose our patience, we can become chanchal. If we apply our brain to engage all our efficiency to come out successful for any particular thing, this kind of audacity, this kind of plan and program, then we can never call Bhagavan. Sometimes we think we are calling Bhagavan is one kind of blessing for Bhagavan, anugraha. We can also get engaged. We can also get engaged in some other works without calling Bhagavan. We are calling Bhagavan, Bhagavan is lucky for that. We can call, cannot call. We can chant or cannot chant. That kind of plan, that kind of intellect can prove that I have no enduring power or I have no patience. To protect us from that kind of dangerous mentality, Baba, whatever disparity there in our behavior, attitude from Trinadapi, we must take shelter unto the lotus feet of a Sadguru. Sri Narottama Thakur already told, Srila Narottama Thakur already said that Asray Loiya Vaje Tare Krishna Nahi Teje Ar Sab More Akaron. Asray Loiya Vaje Tare Krishna Nahi Teje Ar Sab More Akaron. We, out of our own effort, can try our best, but we cannot come out successful because it is a fact. Narottama Thakur already told, Astray loiya bhaje tare Krishna nahi teje ar sab morya kar. So what do you mean by taking shelter, Astray? The general conception of taking shelter is very, very joking. Very, very joking. In fact, we are not taking shelter. We are taking shelter of our false ego. We are taking shelter of our, dirty mind. That's why you were deprived of everything. Anyway, yesterday I was discussing from Sri Laghu Bhagavatamritam by Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. Each and every devotee of Gauriya devotees, they are praying cravingly, they are praying to get one dust particle from the lotus feet of Srila Rupa Goswami Pad. That Rupa Goswami Pad not going to express atrocity by writing this Laghu Bhagavatamrita. Somebody can start fighting. Why? What need? Whereas Brihad Bhagavatam is already there. What is the utility? They think so. When I wanted to write very gist of the Gomata book, some foolish, he started argument, he wrote to our office, what? When the full book is published, what is the use of, publishing this kind of veracity? They like to control Guru Vaishnava. Foolish. So, yesterday we had already discussed, the mood of Rupa Goswami Pad is completely exclusive. He is speaking that I like to test the Brihad Bhagavatamrita in a very gist way. Get the test. At the same time, those who are having no time, they have no mentality, that kind of patience is not there with them. They cannot go through these voluminous books. For them, I wanted to compile in this way so that I can get the test to show us, Rupa Goswami wanted to write, to show us that I have no atrocity. I am not driven by atrocity. I am just taking shelter of my Guru Path of the Sanatana Goswami Path. I wanted to get the taste of that books in a gist way. Srimad Prabhu Padambujai Srimad Bhagavatamritam Yad Vyatyani Tadevedam Sankhipena Nishebbate Idam Sri Krishna Tad Bhaktu Sambandhad Amritam Didha Adau Krishnamritam Tatro Suridbho Parishebbate. This way, Sanatana Goswami speaking, my Prabhupada, Srila Sanatana Goswami reading Brihad Bhagavatamrita, where we can get all detailed information about Bhakta Bhagavan, Dham, Nam, all Parikar, Bhagavad Tattva. Those who are unable to accept the gist of that Brihad Bhagavatamrita, They have dull brain, they have dull men, no patience. For them, I like to compile the small books named Lagu Bhagavatamritam. All the same Siddhanta Vichar can get in gist, somebody can get in gist, and also very easily, because people cannot keep track. If you go through Bhagavatamrita, you can see it first of all starting these, after that going there, he is speaking, like Bhagavatam. Sometime it is in Sukdev speaking, some Parikshit Maharaj, some Sutaji Goswami, some Maitri Rishi, Vidur Muni, all confusing. If you are failure to keep the track, if you are just failure to keep the track of the book, I mean how come? Then you can lose your patience. Just now I saw Maitri Rishi speaking, now I find Buddha speaking. Oh, what is this? It is not the fault of the book, book is okay, but it's your fault, you're going to lose your patience. So those who are unable to accept the theme of the book, I myself wanted to get the test at the same time. I wanted to compile in such a way, somebody unable can get the gist of that book. So I think my effort can never come to a flop end. So I think my effort can never come to a flop end by the mercy of my Guru Padma. Well, now Rupa Goswami already speaking, there is two type of Amrita, Krishnamrito or Bhaktamrito too, and these two categories. Srila Rupa Goswami wanted to represent the book in two parts. One is Krishnamritam, another is Bhaktamritam. At present, Bhagavatamrita Sabdo, the original root cause, to give us the feeling of the root cause of this word, Bhagavatamrita, he wanted to explain that way, as I told just before. Srila Rupa Goswami was writing, Bhagavataha Sri Krishnasya idam amritam. What written? Bhagavataha, it is actually 6 case ending. Bhagavataha mane Bhagavater, Bhagavataha. Follow. He is writing Bhagavataha, Bhagavater, Sri Krishnasya idam amritam. And Bhagavan, Bhagavataha, Bhagavater, Sri Krishner idam amritam. A amrito represented by Rupa Goswami. That's mean Bhagavatamrita, this word mean going to imply Sri Krishna himself. Or Bhagavatamritam mean Bhagavatamritam Bhaktamritam. Bhagavat mean Bhagavan, or Bhagavat mean Grantha Bhagavat, book Bhagavatam, and Bhakto Bhagavatam, Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam mean Bhagavan himself, Bhagavatam. So, Bhagavataha Sri Krishnasya idam amritam, that kind of meaning is more practical. Bhagavatamritam, this word, follow. Bhagavatamrita, Bhaktamritam. So in this book, Amrita, Bhagavan Bhakta Sarup, and different qualities, exalted qualities or prakrit qualities are categorically shown here. So, Bhagavatamrita Krishna and Bhakta Sambandha, two type. So, In the starting of Bhagavatam, we can see the Sanukadi Rishi in Naimish Aranya asking to Suta Goswami Pad, well, could you please describe all the nectarian katha of Bhagavan if it is supported by Yadi Sri Krishna Kathasrayoho. And those who are the honeybees of Bhagavan, if their topics is also concerned here, then it is very good. You can speak. You can explain, hey, Sutadev Goswami, if at all it is supported by Bhakta Katha, Bhagavad Katha, Bhakta Katha, if it is supported by the topics of Makaranda, Swadankari Sadhu, those who are getting the taste of Bhagavan by chanting name and hearing Harikatha all the time, so Rupa Goswami was speaking, inner meaning, Sri Raghunath Das, Adi, all Srihit Vargo, though the dearmost and nearmost associate, Srihit, friend, first of all, to satisfy them, I can start with Krishnamrita Pariveshan, I like to distribute. After that, I can try to distribute Bhaktamritam Parishavan, I can do. Srimad Prabhupadam Bhujai, Srimad Bhagavatamritam, Yad Bhaityani Tadevedam, Sankhipena Nishebhati, Srimad Prabhu Padam Bhujai, Srimad Bhagavatam, Yad Bhaityani Tadevedam, Sankhipena Nishebhati, Idam Sri Krishna Tad Bhakto Sambandhad Amritam Didha Adau Krishnamritam Tatra Suhidbo Parishebhate. Okay, nice, I already explained. So, it is not surprising, it is not my audacity. This way, gradually, I am going to explain. Kamimina Purvatas. Surely public, surely so-called people, so-called devotee or so-called, people cannot complain that I am going to break my chronological order. Or Purvo, not done before. For the first time I am going to do this, not that. Somebody can complain. So it is not at all surprising, it is quite natural. So somebody can start fighting what I can do. Now I already told, it is the Rupa Goswami Pad going to clarify this point. Rupa Goswami Pad going to clarify this point, going to say that, well, to establish these two Amritam, Krishnamritam, Bhaktyamritam, I would like to take shelter of this Sabda Brahma, Sabda Praman. All what I am going to present in these books, all supported by Sabda Praman. Nibandhanam yukti vistare maya trupuramunchata pradhanatyat pramaneshu sabda eva pramannate. What writing? Nirbandhanam yukti vistare maya truparimunchata pradhanatyat pramaneshu sabda eva pramannate. So, Rupa Goswami wanted to take shelter of Sabda Praman. It's quite natural. We can discuss something, though before also I already discussed before something, but still, well, why? Point is that Shabdo, two type of Shabdo, we know already, Athato Brahma Jigyasa, Athato Tattva Jigyasa, Athato Shabda Jigyasa, all same. Shabda Jigyasa, because Shabda here is not general Shabda, it is called Aprakita Shabda. Here, Arsho Bhakko, Arsho, means Sadhu Bhakko, those who are in the line of Guru Parampara, Sautapantha, Bhagavad Bhakti, Bhagavan is satisfied with them, that kind of elevated devotees, when speaking something, that is also evident. Because they can never contaminated by four different kind of defects usually visible in everybody. So any Arsha Bhakka, Arsha, suppose one exalted devotee told this, we can write it, is also real. Because they are serving Bhagavan. By the mercy of Bhagavan, they are speaking. So here, Sadhu Bhakko is also Sabda Brahma. Ved Bhakko, anything reading in Veda is also Sabda. And if we speak Bhagavan, Supreme Lord is also can indicate Shabda. Because Bhagavan can appear in the form of Sabda, it is quite natural. We know very good. Kali Kale Nam Rupe Krishna Avatar. In Kali Kal, Krishna appearing in the form of Sabda Brahma. In the form of Sabda Brahma, is possible. Anadi Nidanam Brahma Sabda Tattam Jadaksharam Nivartate Artho Bhavena Pakriya Jagatu Yataha Anadi Nidanam Brahma Sabda Tattam Jadaksharam. Hear me. Anadi Nidanam Brahma Sabda Tattam Jadaksharam Nivartate Artho Bhavena Pakriya Jagatu Yataha. So, Amnayo Praho Tatyam Harimiho Sarva Saktim Rasadhim. Amnayo Praho. Sabdo. Vedvako, I mean sound, and that sound equal to Bhagavan. Sabda Tattva, Bhagavan can appear in the form of Sabdo. Athato Brahma Jigyasa, Athato Tattva Jigyasa, Athato Sabda Jigyasa, all same. So Sadhu Bhakko, Ved Bhakko, or Bhagavan, a three tattva we can believe, and they can appear in the form of sound, Sabda. If the evidence, Praman, somebody in Punjab 16 years back wanted to put question. His name is Bharadraj Ji, he is the disciple of Bhaktivinoda Tirtha Goswami Maharaj. Maharaj, what is Prameyo? What do you mean by Prameyo? I told, to be proved is called Prameyo. Praman is the evidence by the help of which I like to establish the thing I like to project. To be proved is called Prameya. So by now it is clear to you, you can realize if the Praman evidence, if the Praman and if the Praman, I mean the evidence by the help of which I like to establish Prameyo, If they are totally of same, different category, then big problem can be there. Follow. Then big problem can be there. But if the Praman and Prameyo, the evidence, and by the help of which I like to establish what Prameyo, then is good. I can give example. Praman, if totally different from Prameyo, then there is every possibility that countless defects can enter. If Praman and Prameyo totally of same different category, then if we like to apply Praman, then there is every possibility of different kind of defects to arise. Like one example I can say, you are asking my identity. You are asking my identity. If I myself going to speak all in details about my identity, is more practical. If you are going to put question to somebody in my locality who has no idea about me, how he can expect he can speak like nicely? So, if I am going to identify myself as more practical, if somebody is going to explain about me, give identity, who has no clear idea about me, so surely there can be some misrepresentation, mistake. So, if the third person going to identify me, surely we cannot expect it 100% perfect. Some defects can be there, must be there. So, what is Bhagavad Bhakti? You know from Bhagavatam, many times I told before, 6th canto, that is written, Vedasya Ishvar Atmatvat Tatra Muhyanti Surayo. Vedasya Ishvar Atmatvat Tatra Muhyanti Surayo. Vedasya Ishwar Atmattat Tattvamuyanti Suraya. Since Ved and Bhagavan non-different from each other, so even the demigods, they become in confusion about Veda. They cannot make any head and tail. Vedasya Ishwar Atmattat Tatra Muhyanti Sura. Vedasya cha Ishwar Atmatvat Tatra Muhyanti Surayo. So, Bhagavan, what a kind of absolute object Bhagavan is. If some third person, some demon, some Mayavadi going to explain Bhagavatam this, that, it is not at all good. Bhagavan, what a kind of excellent object Bhagavan is. Ved is the evidence, Amnaya Praho, Tatyam. And those devotees, bhaktas, sadhus, those who were continuously in contact with Bhagavan, their word is also Praman. By this description, I would like to say that Sabda Praman is supported by Sabda Praman. It is quite natural. Follow. I am going to speak about Bhagavan. And Bhagavan is also in the form of Sabda. So I am speaking Harikatha. It's quite natural. So, what I mean to say, sound Sabda Praman is the best of all to give identity of Sabda. Sabda Brahma can be supported by Sabda Brahma, can expose Sabda Brahma. Follow. It is more practical. If I want to give some evidence about Bhagavan, Krishna, Gauranga, if I like to get some other evidence, it's not practical. If I take the help of sound, Sabda Praman, then it is more practical. I can say that Gauranga is this. To prove Gauranga Mahaprabhu is Supreme Lord, if I can take help of some other evidences, not practical. Sabdo, Aprakita Sabda Brahma, to prove Aprakita, we can use Sabda Brahma. Same quality. So without Sabda Brahma, if you would like to take help of some other things, it can never be practical. Sabdavadi, Vyasadeva is also Sabdavadi. Vyasadeva also taking help of Shabda Brahma. We know Prabhupada wrote, Krishna ite Chaturmukho, Hai Krishna Savanmukho, Brahma ite Narada Ramati, Narada haite Vyas Madhya Das, Purnabhoga Padmanabha Modi, Nihari Madhava Vamse, Akshava Paramse, Sishavali Angikaro Kare, Akshava Sisha Jayo, Dharmaname Purichaya, Tadasi Gana Sindhu Sare. This way all parampara. So we are all in favor of Sabda, Sabdavadi. Vyasadeva also Sabdavadi. Vyasadeva always wanted to put all sound of Prakriti Sabda Brahma. So all Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they always ready to confess under the guidance of Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami, that sound Sabda is the topmost evidence. Sabda Praman, they are bound to accept, they already accepted. Now question can arise, why? From Tattva Sandarbha, I already told maybe 4 or 5 weeks before, that in Tattva Sandarbha, our Tattacharya Srila Jiva Goswami Pad has written that Purushasya Brahmadi Dosha Chatushtayo Dishtvatvat Sutaram Achinto Alaukika Vastu Sparso Ajogyatvat Chatat Prakshapattakhyadini Opi Shadoshani Tatastani no Pramanani Iti Anadisiddho Sarva Purusha Paramparasu Sarva Laukika Laukika Jnana Nidhanatvat Aprakita Vachano Lakshano Vedo Evasmakam Sarvatiti Sarvatito Sarvasrayo Ascharya Sabhavam Vastu Vividashatam Pramanam. Again I am speaking. Srila Jiva Goswami writing in Tattva Sandarbha, who is our Gaudiya Tattacharya topmost, that Purushasya Brahmadi Dosha Chatushtayo Drishtatvat Sutaram Achinto Alaukiko Vastu Sparsho Ajogyatvat Cha Tat Pratyakhyadini Opi Shadoshani Tatostani no Pramanani Iti Anadi Siddho Sarva Purusho Paramparasu Sarvo Laukika Laukiko Jnano Nidhanatvat Aprakita Vachano Lakshano Vedo Evasmakam Sarvatito Sarvasrayo Ascharya Sabhavam Vastu Vividashatam Pramanam. What is the meaning? The meaning is that in order to delineate, the meaning of the sambandha or relationship between the subjects concerned or signified, Krishna and the element, Krishna and the elements signifying it, I mean, Vachya Vachaka, Vachak, Vachya Vachakata, in order to delineate the meaning of the sambandha or relationship between the subjects signified or concerned, Krishna and the elements signifying it, Vachya, Vachakata, Avideya, Avidheya, the prescribed action of worshipping Krishna through the procedure, it is called avidya, and the prayojana, or the ultimate goal, called prema, the means of proof, prayojana, the means of proof should first be established. Since human beings are subject to four faults, Brahma, Pramad, Vipralipsa, Karnapadab, and thus are incapable of understanding something which by its nature is inconceivable and astonishing, their sense, perception and other means of knowledge are all faulty. Follow. Sarva Sambandini, in Sarva Sambandini, going to write in details, Jiva Goswami Pad, there are 10 proofs. There are 10 different kind of proofs accepted by different sadhus here, there. Follow. That is called Pratyaksha, Anuman, Upaman, Shabdo, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi, Sambhavo, Vaitihyo, Chesta, Arso. What I say? I already told before, one by one. So Pratyaksha, Anuman, Upaman, Shabdo, Arthapatti, Shabdo, Arthapatti, same. Shabdo, Arthapatti. Shabda Prama. Anupalabdhi, Sambhavo, Vaitijyo, Chesta and Arso. Out of that, Pratyakho, Arthat, the evidence we receive directly by the help of our sense organs and brain is called Pratyakho. Like I am watching that mud pot, is Pratyaksha. So this way, since human beings are subject to the four faults, Brahma, Pramada, Vipralipsa, Karna, Padab, and thus are incapable of understanding something which by its nature is inconceivable and astonishing, perplexing, their sense perception and other means of knowledge are all full of faulty. So, Sarva Sambadini, there it is written, there are 10 proofs, I already told, Pratyakha, Anuman, Praman, Shabdo, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi, Sambhavo, Vaitihyo, Chesta, Arso. But the root pramana is sabda. words without the faults of Brahma, Pramad, Vipradusa, Karna, Pada. Since the proof or semblance of proof resulting from the other 9 methods gives false conception. Try to understand. Since the evidence, since the proof or the semblance of proof resulting from the other 9 methods gives false conceptions, being subject to 4 faults like Brahma, Pramad, Vipradusa, Karnapada, such proof, such evidence of proof cannot give the true ascertainment. Such proof, such evidence of faulty, such fault, 4 faults, and such proof cannot give true ascertainment of the highest goal of humans. Shabdo, however, is without these 4 faults. The other proofs of evidence are dependent on Sabda, just as servants are dependent on a king or his master. Wherever Sabda, whereas Sabda is independent upon. But all other documents, evidence are going to depend upon Sabda. Whereas Sabda is independent, just as the king is independent of the servants. Sometimes the other proofs, other evidence can support Sabda. Sometimes the other proofs or evidences can support Sabda according to their ability, according to their efficiency, power or eligibility, but because Sabda is independent, it can override the other proofs. Follow. Sometimes the other proofs, what I told, except Sabda, can support Sabda according to their ability, efficiency, but because Sabda is independent, it can override, it can control other proofs. It can override the other proofs. It is impossible for the other proofs to contradict. It is impossible for the other proofs to contradict matters indicated by Sabda. And in matters that are not subject to, and in matters that are not subject to their abilities, Sabda is the only effective means. Nothing can help us. Sense perception or pratyaksha of 6 types that I am not going to discuss because it will take big time anyway. So now I can go to discuss about some inner meaning of this Sabda Praman. So Sabdo, Bhagavan appeared in the form of Sabdo, Grantha, everything. So if I give Sabda Praman, is more practical. Except Sabda, if we like to take shelter of some other evidences which is not practical at all. That's why we are Sabdavadi, Vyasadeva Sabdavadi, Rupa Sanatan, Jiva Gosaipad, who not everybody, Ramanujarjo, Madhvacharjo, Vishnu Swami, Nimbarkasa, who not everybody, they are Sabdavadi. So all Gauriya Vaishnavas, naturally, they are going to accept the Sabda Praman as the original and most vital Praman. All different Sadhu Muni Rishis, they are going to accept different Pramans. We are less interested about this, like Charbak, what I cannot see, I cannot believe. Idiot. Charbak speaking just like a crazy man. Charvak thinking, well, life is only for 2 days. Go on. Khao, pio, jio, enjoy yourself. And Charvak advising, Javat jivet sukham jivet. So long as you are going to live, you can live with full majesty, full nice, full bliss. Try enjoy yourself. Javat jivet sukham jivet. Rinam kitva khitam pivet. You can drink milk. You can take ghee, clarified butter. Are, I have no money. No money, you can go. You can borrow money from somebody and buy ghee. Are, I have to pay back. Are, Maharaj, who can pay back to whom? After you've gone from this world, you can go to crematorium ground, they can brand you, and who can chase you? Your body gone means everything gone. So it is the formula of Charvak. Javat jivet sukham jivet, rinam kitva ghritam puvet, bhasmi bhutasya dehasya punaragamanam kuta. If the body is burnt up, who is going to chase whom, Maharaj? Nothing there after this life, all useless. So enjoy yourself. So this way, I can go on giving some evidences from different shastras, the different Muni rishis and they used to accept different kind of modes of proofs, evidences. Shankho or Patanjali going to accept Pratyakha, Anuman and Sabda, Arthat Aptabhakko. This way, different time and circumstance, different sadhus, they are going to accept. So, as per Gauriya Siddhanta Vichar, it is supported by all Shastra, the Sabda Praman, sound Sabda Praman, Amanaya Vakya is a ceremony, topmost of all. I already told Jiva Goswami Pad, already has written in Tattva Sandarbha, Purushasya Brahmadi Dosa Chatushtayo Dishtatvat Sotaram Achinta Alaukika Vastu Sparsho Ajagatvat Cha Tat Pratyakhyadini Opi Sadoshani Tatostani No Pramanani Iti Anadi Siddho Sarva Purusho Paramparasu Sarvo Lokika Lokiko Jnano Nidanatvat Aprakita Vachano Lakshano Vedo Evasmakam Sarvatito Sarvasrayo Ascharya Sabhavam Vastu Vividashatam Pramanam. So due to 4 different kind of defects in the Praman, those evidences cannot touch Bhagavan. Achinto Sabhabhisya Bhagavan. So devoid of Brahma, Pramad, Viprasa, Karna, Padab, our sense organ, all defective, by our perception power or by the help of sense organ, we like to gather some evidences, proof, all full of defects. That's why they are Pratyaksha, Anuman, all useless. I already told yesterday that Gopinath Acharya speaking to Sarvabhauma Acharya and in front of his disciples, those disciples and Sarvabhauma speaking, Ishar can be understood by assumption. Gopinath Acharya immediately protests, no, not at all. Anuman praman nahi, Ishar tattva jnane. If you like to gather Ishar tattva jnana, assumption is not at all possible. Is all defective. So, Amnaya Vakko or Sabda Praman, always Vishuddha, pure. That's why because they are Praman and Prameyo of the same category. Praman is by the help of which I like to prove Prameyo is also Sabda, and Prameyo, the object to be proved, is also Sabda from there. Regarding material, regarding material Gyan, our sensual perception can work to some extent. And direct evidence, Pratyakya Praman, is full of defects. I already told yesterday. What is happening behind the world where you are sitting, you have no idea. So you have no right to pass any remark about that. Because outside the world, you are now inside. That doesn't mean we can say, well, it is this, it is that, it is that. Because we cannot see what is happening there. So, in Bhagavatam, there is also symptom of sadhu speaking, sabde parichan snatam. Srila Jiva Goswami Pada has written clearly, sabde parichan snatam is a symptom of sadhu. He is both births in sabda, Brahma and Parabrahma. I mean direct feeling of seva. Here sabda means Shastra, Veda. And the topmost part, the crown part of Veda is Vedanta. You all heard about Vedanta Sutta? Vedanta Sutta completely depend upon Sabda, Praman. What all different kind of advice, suggestion, everything there, so all we can find in the form of Vedanta Sutra. In fact, the whole Hindu Sampradaya, Bhagavad, Bhakta Sampradaya also completely depend upon Vedanta Shastra. I mean the foundation of Bharatvarsha and its religion, culture, everything, all basically depend upon Sabda, Praman, Vedanta. Athato Brahma Jigyasa, I already told Athato Jigyasa, Athato Brahma Jigyasa means Athato, Tattva Jigyasa, Athato, Sabda Jigyasa, because Bhagavan and his name is all same, non-different from each other. So Brahma means, Aprakita Sabda also this kind of meaning. Anadi Nidanam Brahma Sabda Tattvam Yadakshara Nivartate Atva Bhavena Pakriya Jagatu Yata. Yes. By the help of a sloka, one syllable, Om, that is Sabda Tattva Brahma. Om iti etat. Brahma Jigyasa, Sapta Jigyasa, Tattva Jigyasa, or in Bengali, Sanatana Goswami asking, Kyami, Kene Mure, Jare Tapotroy, Iha nahi jani, koi che mor hi thoy. So Vedanta Sutta starting from Athato Brahma Jigyasa, Athato Brahma Jigyasa. Janmadasya yato ittadi, all evidence you can get. Especially Vyasadeva Goswami has written in his Vedanta Sutra that all of Prakita Jagat, Bhagavan, I mean Brahma Vastu, can only be known by the help of Shastra, who is the compilation of Aprakita Sabda Brahma, right? Yes. Then in Vedanta Sutta I have been discussing so many things, past, long time. There, Shastro Janitvat, one sutra is there. I mean, Bhagavan can only known by the authentic Shastras of the Praman, and those who are realized soul like Gaurkasar Bhaja, Bangsimad Bhaja Maharaj, when speaking, you cannot find their word in Shastra because they are speaking out of their realization. They also, Arshavakya, it is also Praman, evidence. There is no question of any fighting. Those Sadhu Guru Vaishnavas always and every time in connection with Bhagavan, their word, their relation in the form of words, advice is also Brahma Vastu. Follow. So Akshar means immortal. Akshar Avinasi, Nitto Shabda Tattva Brahma. So Brahma Jigyasa means Sapta Jigyasa, Tattva Jigyasa, everything all same. And in the sloga, Nivartate Artho Bhavena Pakriya Yatoho Jagato Yatoho, this word can prove the sound has its power to express and can help us to get stability, can destroy all. Sound has this kind of power all. Prakash, Sthiti, or Nibriti, Sanghar, all can be done by sound. You must believe it. There is some evidence. Also, in the evening time or in the morning time, when we are going to sow arati, dupa, deepa, garland, everything, and going to blow conch shell, we are speaking. But you don't know, it is experimentally proved already. Present science speaking, the scientists already proved that the conch blowing, when we are going to blow conch, all different kind of dangerous germs in the air can get destroyed. Now you see, sound also have its power to destroy. Yes. In different Puran or Bhagavatam, or in Puran or in different, in Bhagavatam or in other different Purans, we know by the cards of Brahmana Guru Vaishnava, whatever they are speaking, it can, it is a must. Like at the time when all small boys of Jadus, they are playing among themselves, they are going to joke with Rishi Munis, they are coming there in Dwarka, outside Dwarka, in a garden they are taking rest, and Samba is very beautiful, and all other Yadavas, boys, they are going to make him look like a pregnant lady. They all Yadavas, they wanted to make him looks like a pregnant baby. Now they are, by the help of different clothes and everything they are doing, when they are going to ask that Muni Rishis, those who are coming in Dwarka, Bharadraj, Parasar, all everybody, then that boy joking, speaking, well, it is our request in front of you all Rishi Munis, what is the baby that lady can give birth? Male baby or female baby? The Rishi Munis become very angry. Joking with us. Can develop that boy. I know, you see, he is not girl. Can develop one iron bar shell immediately. Whenever Sambho touching his belly, watching one iron bar there, immediately he was very nervous by watching this. So immediately, on those days, we know Gautami Muni become angry and going to give curse to his wife, Ahalla wife. Immediately she became a stone. And when Ramchandra came putting the leg on the stone, then again from stone, she is coming out. All such different kind of evidences are there. So, all different kind of documents are there. So, what do we want to say? Without the proper guidance of Shastra, without the proper guidance of Guru Vaishnava, Suddha Guru Vaishnava, we have no right to go ahead, in the way of Atma Mangal. In this material world, different kinds of sound we are using, we are speaking, but surely that sound is not going to, what we are pronouncing, not going to prove that the object want to mean and the sound is same, not going to prove. Bhacho Bachak Sambandha. Rupa Goswami also, Bhacho Bachakadu, Bhavato Sarvudayam, Purvasmadupi, Rupa Goswami was speaking. So, in Aprakito Jagat, Aprakito field, there is no difference between Bachya Vachak, no difference. Shabdo Shabdi, all same. What is a sound and that what sound going to sign, that sound going to mean, all same. Vastu and the sound by the help of which you wanted to identify that object is all the same. So, in Brahmanda, Sila, in Brahmanda, Brahman, it is written in Brahmanda, there in another stan, another place, Bhagavan speaking, Bhagavan speaking, Bhagavan speaking here, giving documents, Bhagavan speaking, that Bhacho Sa Sarva Sabdhanam Sabdascha na Prithaka Tataha. What Bhagavan? In Brahmanda, in another place Bhagavan speaking that Bhacho Sa Sarva Sabdhanam Sabdyascha na Prithaka Tataha. Arthat Bhacho Bhachok Sabdo Sabdi in Aprakriti Jagat not different from each other. Whenever we can shout, whenever we can shout by speaking water, 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 we cannot find water there. Because we are choosing a suitable word to mean this word. But that water, Bengali they can say jal, in Hindi they can say pani, in Russian they can say vada, all different words. So anyway, by uttering or shouting, surely one cannot get the object simply by speaking. But one thing strange, when Srila Madhavendra Puripa speaking, Ha Govindo, Ha Prananath, when speaking, Vai Dindyardunad Mathuranat Kadavalaka Sehi Dayam Taduluk Kataram Daito Brahmanati Brahman King Karomiyam. There, whenever Madhavendu Puripad calling by the name Krishna, Krishna, then Krishna is present himself. When Surdas ji, I already told that day, you can remember. Surdas ji, when fall down in a well, shouting Krishna, immediately Krishna came and delivered him from. But this is not possible for material world. In Vedanta Sutta, so it is evidence that Shastro Janitvat, if you would like to know Bhagavan, you will have to take a look at Shastra Sabda Brahma, Shastra Janitvat. Also another slok, Tattu Samannayat. I already discussed in Vedanta, maybe 2-3 months before. Tattu Samannayat. Samannayat, artho sammak, completely, ekmatro, only way, anvayat, annaya anukul anishilan. Anvayat, samannayat mean, sam means sammak, rupe, I mean the only way, annayat, annaya ba anukul anusilan. Annaya byatirek mean byatirek. But here, tattu, tat means sadvastu, tat mean say sadvastu, sat mean that Om Brahmavastu, tattu samo anuat, samanvat. Tattu, tat means say tadvastu, sadvastu, Brahmavastu, tu means definitely Sam Anvayat, Sam means sammak, completely the only way, ekmatro, Anvayat means anukul, anushilan, that is the advice of Vedanta. So if we can go on practicing very sincerely this Krishna Nam, Sam Anvayat, surely we can meet with the object. At present, due to our duplicity, due to our position, full of anartha, we cannot do it. So, those impersonal Brahma, Nirvisheshvadi, impersonalists, Mayavadis, they will give Brahma as a Nirakar, inactive, useless, but we, Gaudiya Vichar, we as far Gaudiya Vichar know, have complete idea, some Anvayat, Tattu Samannayat, Mayavadi cannot stand. Mayavadi just cannot stand. Mayavadi just cannot stand. They are defeated. Their false and dry argument, thy knowledge cannot stand in front of our evidences there. So, Aprakita Sabda Praman, we are always depending upon Aprakita Sabda Praman, and Srila Rupa Goswami also want to depend upon me. From Brihad Bhagavatamrita, we have idea that Gopa Kumar meeting with Sadguru, Sadguru asking him, go and take bath in Jamuna and come, I can give you mantra. After getting that mantra, when the mantra entering his heart, he gone into faint condition. This is the power of mantra. Atma Shabdo mean Sabda Brahma. Atma Shabdo means Sabda Brahma. In Upanishad, we know, many times I discussed before, Atma va are satabhya dushtabhya nididhyasitabhya. Atma va are satabhya drashtabhya nididhyasitabhya. So, It is the advice of Upanishad, we'll have to hear Atma. Hear Atma. Eh? You have to see Atma. You have to meditate on Atma. What you say, we cannot make any head and tail. That's why I am speaking. Atma Sabda means the sound with which the object it means is identical. So Atma ba are Sratabhyaho, Dashtabhyaho, Nididhyasitabhyaho. So it is the advice of Upanishad, you have to hear Atma, you have to see Atma, you have to meditate on Atma. So it is quite natural. We foolish people have no idea. Sabdo, we are hearing. Sabdo can be seen, yes. Sabdo can be heard, Sabdo can be seen. So this can prove that it is true. Usually it is our conception, what is audible, that is not visible. What is visible, that cannot be audible. But you see, how we can accept, how we can see Sabda by the help of eyes? Sabda has no sarup. Completely wrong conception. Sabda has some sarup. Even material sound, cardiograph, everything you can see, vibration, frequency has some zigzag, chart up and down. So that's when material sound also having some sarup. So what to speak about Aprakita Sabda? It must have. Aprakita Sabda must have. So no doubt in it. Somebody can say, when the sound can enter through ear, how can make reaction? It can make reaction. Aprakita Sabda Brahma, if entering through ears, if there is no offense, the sound can give result. Like from Bhagavatam and different Purans you can go, they can see Malini, one lady is singing the song of Krishna from her. She is dealing with flower and garland. But those Brahmanas, Yajnik Brahmanas, their wives, they heard the topics of Krishna by the help of ear. And as if they are watching Krishna. Follow. I already told, Dhruva Maharaj was given mantra, and when going to start, Dhruva Maharaj asking Gurudev, Gurudev going to leave the place. Gurudev, wait. What happens? I give you mantra. Oh, you give me mantra. But now I am in very green stage. So could you please explain the Sarupa of Bhagavan so that I can meditate? Well, you go on hearing. Then Padmapala, eyes are like lotus feet petal of the lotus flower, hands and legs very tall, long, very nice looking, like a very soft cloud, body color, effulgence coming out, cloud, wheel and everything, their lotus flower. Oh, now you can see. By the mercy of Naraji, now he can meditate on the lotus feet of that Padmapala Saluchana. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. He went on chanting this mantra and meditating this. So nothing impossible. In material world also, we see one snake has no ear. Have you seen ear of a snake? No ear. Then how is hearing? By the help of eyes. Eyeball is there. They are both watching and hearing. How? Well, when the sound is there, the vibration can come and touch the eyeball. and the whole eyes vibrating, they can realize. They can hear also. Follow, they can hear. So, Atmava are Satabbo, Dashtabbo, Nididhyasitabbo, Arthat Atma Sabdo, Aprakita Sabdo Brahmo, we can hear, we can see, we can meditate upon. All true. And Sabda Praman is most effective. The fifth sutra of Vedanta, first part, first volume, first footstep, pada, fifth sloka, ikshaterna sabdam. Ikshate na ashabdam, arthat ashabda noy, such objects, such things, we will have to see ashabda noy, which is not ashabdo, apashabdo. That kind of vastu, arthat, we must see. Ikshater na ashabdam. Ikshate na ashabdam. Arthat, ikshate na ashabdam. Not directly speaking. Ikshate na ashabdam. Arthat, which is not ashabdo, that vastu we should, which is not ashabdo, such object, arthat aprakita sabdo, we must see. Mane, it is the word we are hearing, that like bent way, not directly. Ikshate no ashabdam. Not speaking ikshate sabdam. Ikshate no ashabdam. Arthat, what is ashabda, that we should not see. Or in the other way, what is not sabda, that what is not sabda, arthat what is aprakito, what is not ashabdo, I mean what is aprakito sabdo, you must watch. Ikshater na ashabdam. By this word, we can directly realize the sabda has some sarup, surely. Now, first party can say, Purvapakho, Ikshaterna Sabdam, why going to speak this bent way? Why not speaking Ikshate Sabdam? This kind of possibility is there or not? Why going to write opposite way? Why? The solution is there. Ashabdo, arthat prakit sabdo, material one. Follow. Ashabdo, arthat what is prakit sabdo, their bhatirek pathe darshan. To cut the possibility of hearing material sound, Vyasadeva was bound to write that way. Like Rupa Goswami was writing in Rasandita Sindhu, Anna Vilasita Sunyam, Jnana Karmadi Anabritam, Anukulena Krishnanusila. Why not writing directly? Anna Vilasita, Anna Vilas Sunyam. No. Here also almost same. Almost it is, So, Vyasadeva was bound to write that way. Ikshaterna sabdam. Somebody can start fighting. Vyasadeva Goswami very easily could write direct way. Why not writing that way? Why? Don't see ashabdo. Asabdo, arthat prakit sabdo, that is bhatirek, indirect possibility. Vyasadeva Goswami wanted to cut and throw away, cut and throw. avoid that possibility. I wanted to mean unalloyed, abhimisro, aprakito. That's why you wanted to write that way. Vishuddha chetan vishisto, abhimisro, unalloyed, aprakito, vishuddha chetana vishisto, shabdo, full of life, aprakito sabdo. That sabdo, we must watch every time, every fraction of second, without any interruption. Nitya Rup darshan korte hobe. Like in before Annik, chanting Annik, we are speaking Tad Vishnum Paramam Padam Sada Pashanti Surayo Divibo Chakshuratatam. I mean the watching of that aprakita sabdo, aprakita vastu, they are watching procedure. In between, there is no interruption. I mean, action is continuous, darshan is continuous. That's why Om Tad Vishnum Paramam Padam Sada Pashanti Surayo Divivo Chakshuratatam, opening big eyes. The sadhus are watching. Chakshuratatam, Divivo, Dib Dhatu, Dibbo, Chinmoy, transcendental, apragito, inconceivable. Oh. So, we all already know, it is written in Shastra, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writing, Nam Rupe Kalikale Krishna Avatar, Krishna appearing in this Kalikal in the form of sound. Not that in other Kal, Sattva Teta Dapur cannot come in the form of sound. He can come, but specially. Because no other way. Krishna cannot come directly in Kalikal. Nam Rupe Kalikale Krishna Avatar. Krishna appearing in the form of Bhagavatam also. In the form of Bhagavatam. Jiva Goswami writing Sabdo Parivartitaha. Sukdev Goswami writing just Srimad Bhagavaji Mahapuran, Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna Evahi. Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna Evahi. Krishna himself. Krishna Parivartita, this kind of word we can use. So, Nam Rupe Kalikale Krishna Avatar. It is the evidence. On those days, 40 years back, we have seen gramophone recorder, there was a mic and player, one disc there. If we put the pin just on the starting point and give the switch, it can go and rotating, and the pin going to follow the track already there, and according to that, sound playing, music coming, or somebody is singing, that song is recorded there, fiesta. Also, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, in his Harinamrita Bhakaran, in his grammar composition, to learn Sanskrit is very typical, very special. There, Rupa Goswami already has written Harinamrita Bhakaran, Narayanat Udbhuto Ayam Varna Kramaha. Narayanat, from Narayan, from Bhagavan, this Varna, O, A, Ko, Kho, not ABCD, not ABCD, not ABCD, O, A, Ko, Kho, all coming from there. Narayanat, Udbhuto Ayam Varna Kramaha, from Narayan, all came Varna, all syllable, Sanskrit. And also we know, Aprakita Sabda Brahma, Bhagavan spoke in front of Brahma, in his ear, it entered the heart of Brahma. There was some reaction took place inside the heart of Brahma, and Brahma was initiated. But our initiation is one kind of joking. We are receiving mantra, not feeling any reaction. No after effect, nothing. Because we are kapat. So, the sound vibration spoken by Krishna mantra entered the eyes of Brahma, and there was some total evolution. One reaction took place, and Brahma was initiated in Brahma Samhita. It is confirmed. What kind of power is there in sound? We are crazy, we cannot realize. Guru Vaishnava, they are the Aprakita sound box of Aprakita Jagat. Through them, Aprakita sound coming. Vyasadeva also, he also compiled books, whatever sound came, he started writing. Our Sadguru Vaishnava, they are Aprakita sound box. So, what do we mean to say? Sunlight going to radiate its radiation. Sunlight has some power to burn also. After coming a long distance, which is inconceivable for us, this way, all the kiran, radiation, coming from long distance, so it becomes light and not going to burn us. So, it is the blessing of Bhagavan. If we are too near to Sun God, the light emitting, it can burn up. If we are too far from the Sun God, we can cool down. Within 3 days, all ice can cover up all our civilization. Anantaparam kila sabda sastram. The sabda sastra, anantapar, endless. Anantaparam kila sabda sastram. Each and every word, sentence of Shastra can be compared with the radiation of the Sun God, is all now. So, Aprakita Sabda Brahma has immense power to deliver us, but we are kapat. That's why we are not in a position to be delivered by the sound. We know magnifying glass, if we are going to put in the Vaishak, Yeshto, when sun's giving scorchy sunlight, where magnifying glass, if you put one white paper, very shortly, a concentration, it can converge all sunlight, and suddenly we can find the paper is burning. Also, Vyasadeva Goswami has confirmed in Vedanta Upasanghar, in the final conclusion of Vedanta Sutra, Srila Vyasadeva Goswami has already written in a conclusion part of Vedanta. Srila Vyasadeva Goswami has written Anavriti Shabdyat, double time. You can stop your cyclic order of death and birth by the help of, if we are going to take help of the sound Apragita Sabda Brahma. Anavriti Sabdat. What also in Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami speaking to Parikshit Maharaj, the first question of Parikshit Maharaj was, it's just like Sabda Jigyasa Brahma Jigyasa. Atho Prichami Sansiddhim Jaginam Param Gurum पुरुषस्येह यत्कार्यं म्रियमाणस्य सर्वथा अथो पृच्छामि संसिद्धिं योगिनां परम गुरुं पुरुषस्येह यत्कार्यं म्रियमाणस्य सर्वथा. So Sukdev Goswami is speaking, etat nipritvamananam michchatam akuto bhayam jaginam nipanirnitam harer namanu kirtanam. Etat nipritvamananam michchatam akuto bhayam jaginam nipanirnitam harer namanu kirtanam. This way, Hare Ramanu Kirtanam. Other Sabda Brahma can help us to cut our recurring death and births, which is going on cyclic order. So, today I like to stop here, and I can start again next week to speak all in details about that, So, the slok I started with is very important. I told, here I started with the starting sloka. Also I can speak another slok also, is very important. Namastasmai Bhagavate Krishnaya Kuntamedase Yodhatte Sarva Bhutanam Abhavayushati Kalaha Anadi Nidanam Brahma Sabda Tattam Yadaksharam Nivartati Artha Bhavena Pakriya Yagato Yataha Vancha Kalpatarusya Ke Pasindhu Vajapatitan Pavana Bho Vishna Bhyo Namo.